What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Mizzy Miz, Cool Cat Con, YouTube representing the Birds, the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the Cool Cat Con channel. Also, if you support me, you support the Birds of Broad Street, if you support Cool Cat Mitch, and if you support Jalen Freakins, Cool Cat Connor merch is up right now. Go get your Cool Cat Connor merch. Click the link right here in the description and go get your Jalen Freaking Hurts merch, your Birds of Broad Street merch, your Cool Cat Connor merch, and your Cool Cat Mitch merch. Please click the link right here and go get your Cool Cat Connor merch. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the video.
Fly, Eagles, fly, on the road to victory.
What's up, y'all? It's the champ who conquered the East, the most entertaining Eagle content creator in the game. Your boy, Mizzy Miz, Cool Cat Con, YouTube representing the Birds. Salute to King DV for covering for Moan and Nosha Gang on the Birds of Broad Street. Salute the Boss, Cole, PTA, Protect, our NFC East Roundtable ending the 2022-2023 season. It's a wrap. You'll see us again soon, just once we get our ish together with the offseason. So, salute to that. Yeah. But now let's get on to our breaking news, which we already knew. Brian Johnson, who knows my quarterback, Jalen Freakins, is the new offensive coordinator for your Philadelphia Eagles. Brian Johnson is the new offensive coordinator for the Philadelphia Eagles. Now, what I love about that is it's a new offensive coordinator, right? Most people will say new scheme, new philosophy. But Brian Johnson has been in the building since the days of Nick Sirianni. Since Jalen Freaking Hurts became, the new QB1. So he basically knows what Jalen Freaking Hurts knows, because Brian Johnson knew Jalen Hurts since Jalen Hurts was itty little kid. And he knows his dad. So Brian Johnson knows Jalen Freaking Hurts knows. He's been there with A.J. Brown. He's been there with Devin D. Smith McGinn, with Dallas Goedert. He's been there with Miles Sanders. We'll see if we sign him. He's seen the offensive line, how they block. He's seen it. So like I told everybody in the NFC East, my offense will be good. My offense will be Gucci. Because as long as I got Jalen Freakins, I'm going to be all right. And that's what people don't understand. In the NFC, and I believe all this, things can change, you don't know what you don't know, blah, blah, blah. I believe it when I see it, when it comes to everybody in the NFC, especially Stephen Jones. I believe it when I see it, but the one thing I know is as long as I got Jalen Freakins, this team right here gonna be all right. So you will still see us on top on the NFC East and in top of the NFC. Brian Johnson is our new offensive coordinator. Salute to you. Congratulations. 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 Congratulations to the Philadelphia Eagles. We'll have more news today because Nick Sirianni and Howie Roseman at the Combine will be addressing the media. And I can't wait to hear more from them. Hopefully they talk about Jalen Hurts' contract because my quarterback is dead. My quarterback is dead. And we will be here to bring it to you. Okay? Better pay that, man. Pay my QB1 his money. Again, breaking news, which really ain't breaking news because we already knew this. Brian Johnson is the new offensive coordinator for your Bears, which means nothing gonna change. It'll be the same thing. So anyone who thinks it's gonna change, yeah, he knows Jalen freaking Hurts. He knows Jalen freaking Hurts. So he really ain't changing a thing. So yeah, to all you haters, doubters, and critics, Cowboy fans. Yeah.